All right, we're rolling. Elsa and Clara. I can't see her face, so. Come on. Good girls.
Oh, that's Elsa.
Yeah, I mean, are you doing something right now?
I was just going to put it in.
Will you video and get Elsa's face a little bit? It's already going, so. I just can't see from that angle.
Elsa! Oh, you're a pretty girl.
Good girl. Do you like this girl?
Oh, yes.
Do you like this girl?
Look at this.
Silly phone on. Good girl, Elsa.
Elsa, come here. Come here, Elsa. Can't see where it's going.
Elsa. Not very interested.
Well, that got blocked by two, and there was
Okay, that's probably good. Thank you very much. Thank you, Amanda.
You're welcome.